Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. My name's Katie, as I said, and today's video is going to be a little sneaky peek of my kits for Sunday's mid-show, and we're in the party season, so these kits are for the party season. This is Oban, and he always likes to get in on the videos, don't you, darling? Yep, there you go. So, to start off with, I'm going to show you what I have in my first kit. So to start off with, we have got these fantastic little CZ and sterling silver charms. Just there. This camera isn't very good at focusing. Sorry. So we've got 3 of those bad boys. We've got 3 of those. We have got some 6mm milky round aquamarines, and I would say that's probably a 38cm strand, so you're getting a lot there. So we've got our aquamarine rounds. Now these are actually quite rare, we don't get these very often on the show, and I cannot wait to make something with those. And then to top all of that off, we have got brand new diamond cut sterling silver wire. Now this is 2 meters worth, and I've actually already made the jewellery, and some of the designs will be going up on the television if you pop over to Jewellery Maker and have a look. But this is what it's like a diamond cut sterling silver wire, and it is very, very reflective. It's fantastic. So that is kit number 1. It's crazy in this house. I do apologise if you can hear the dogs in the background, but that's just life, right? Okay, so kit number 2 is it's quite nice. It's a little bit old school. We have got 4 meters of the 1mm copper gauge, 1mm copper coloured wire. And this is round wire, and there's 4 meters of that. Then we've got 10 meters of your 0.4 weaving gauge wire. So we've got 2 wires. Thumbnail! Yeah! And then we have got a findings pack. Now in our said findings pack, you get this fantastic organza bag, and inside you will get some crimp beads, some shepherd hooks, some ball head pins, some featherweight ball head pins, some jump rings, some crimp covers, some little space beads, fantastic size clasps, and a meter of chain. And also in this kit we have got some beautiful pearls there. So we've got some fantastic lovely pearls. We have some graduated faceted rondelles of peach moonstone, sort of in varying shades. So you've got like your bigger rondelles at the bottom. I'll have to show you these two in a second. Okay, and then last but not least, we've got these fantastic like rectangles of your moonstone. And we've got 4 of the peach, and then the rest are like the grey, and then you've actually got some quite nice clear ones in there. So that is kit. Let's twist them all together. There we go. Look, doesn't that look gorgeous all together? And that is kit number 2. So I have got some more kits to show you. In fact, I'll just put it all in this video. Yes, I'll put it all in this video. So I shall go and get my other kits. I shall be right back. Okay, so I'm back. And those 2 still haven't stopped. So one of the kits, this is for Monday, and I'm on the mid show on Monday as well. So one of the kits has got this lemon quartz heart pendant. Well, it's kind of like a cabochon, but I noticed it's got like a, it's half drilled. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's half drilled. So we've got that. We have got 0.4, 10 meters of in the gold coloured silver plated round wire. And we have got 10 meters of the 0.8 in the gold coloured silver plated round wire. And then lastly but not leastly, we have got these fantastic like potato pearls. They're like a blush colour. So we've got a blush colour pearl. I do apologise for the dogs, like I say. They were fine when I was setting up. Now they've, you know, you put the camera on and then they start. So what can I say? In the second kit, I have got 10 meters of the rose gold coloured silver plated round wire, and this is 0.4, and there's 10 meters of that. And we also have 10 meters of the 0.8 in the same colour. So we've got that, and then we've got these fantastic cabochons. They're agate cabochons, and these are, you know what, next time I really must remember to bring a torch with me, because then I can shine it through. But we've got a square one, we've got an oval, we've got like a teardrop shape, or it could be a heart shape, I suppose, if you wanted it to be. And we've got a larger oval as well. So all of the, and the banding in these is fantastic. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Oh, there you go, you might be able to see that there. But these are beautiful. So we've got 4 of those, and then again we've got a findings pack, but this one is actually different to the one that we have in the kit that I had, or I have for Sunday's show. So again, you get your lovely little organza bag, and this time you get 50 centimeters of chain. You get your crimp covers as well. You get your ball head pins, the larger ones. You get some shepherd hooks, and you get some toggle clasps, and you get some jump rings. So that is my 4 kits for Sunday the 2nd of December and Monday the 3rd of December. Monday is a bit of a special day, so tune in. See, I got ya. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing a sneaky peek of my kits that I've got for my 2 shows on the 2nd and the 3rd of December, both mid-shows, so I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much for watching. I do again apologise about the dogs, but one must film and I can't help it. And I just thought it'd be nice to have them here, and now they're creating. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. That would be fantastic. Why wouldn't you? It's free. It is actually free to subscribe to me. So thank you so much for watching. You have fun. You take care of yourself and everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating.